Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, August 7th. This is David, and the first thing I want to do is recap something we talked about here a couple weeks ago. We called out this this date on the 26th, late on the 26th, early on the 27th, but the actual date, if we were precise, came on the 26th. High of the market was on the 27th. That's where the move up from the October of last year would have had the same duration as the decline from the all-time high into that October low. And, you know, we've seen a little bit more than a week of selling from those levels. So it remains to be seen whether this is a lasting top or not. It is coming from a spot where we did identify, and there are some hints that maybe, just maybe, this could grow larger. If we take a look at the two largest declines since this March low, that would be this pullback here and this pullback here. And interesting to note that these two largest declines are almost exactly the same size. And if we measure that same proportion down from the high of the 27th here in the S&P, right? This symmetry level, we did break it slightly late in the day on Friday. Now, today, we didn't waste a whole lot of time coming back above that level, and we're ending the day back above it here as well. And so that should be a little bit concerning to anyone who's getting too bearish based on this observation, right? We certainly have other symmetry levels to be broken if this is a sustained move down. The next significant one, though, is much, much lower. That would be looking at this, this decline from the February high into the March 13th low, and break of that symmetry wouldn't come until 42.20. Nearby, and the level that I think I would look to for short-term clues is going to be the Voodoo snow line. So that's this level at 45.18 here in the cash S&P 500. The index broke that on Friday, but we came right back to it here today, closed right at that level. If we can get above there, and particularly if that can propel this market up above last Friday's high, then I think we have to put on hold any near-term bearish aspirations, even with the move coming down from a timing spot. So that's what I've got for now. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.